My name is Allison Margulies. I was diagnosed with chronic myelogenous leukemia, which is more commonly known as CML, and I was diagnosed in 1984. Most of my treatment was in 1984 because when I was diagnosed, I was at stage 4. And I had some radiation, and then I had some chemotherapy, and then they decided that the only thing that could be done was a bone marrow transplant. So it was either going to happen and I would be cured, or it wasn't going to happen and I probably wouldn't be here. I was treated at 4, so I'm always been a cancer survivor. So I think it's kind of a blessing. I don't remember a lot of it. And I think a lot of the side effects that I have experienced were brought to the attention of my mom, but at the time it was, this is the only thing that is going to save your daughter's life, so the plus obviously outweighs the negative side effects that may or may not happen. I suffered from infertility ultimately because of the treatment, which is pretty common and still common now for patients who undergo chemotherapy and radiation. We used a surrogate, and I'm really, really blessed and lucky to have Paige, so pretty happy right now. I definitely would say having a positive outlook is very important. I think that, often I think it's been studied, your outlook really determines, how you're going to feel. And I think that is one of the positive things. I mean, there's not much, but one of the positive things about having childhood cancer is that if you're young enough, you don't know to be negative because you're just a kid.